Hey there, you've completed yet another module, and that last one had a really difficult challenge. So if you managed to get through this far, then you really do deserve a pat on the back. Now, I want to share with you one of the things that I've noticed amongst students that I've taught in person. And it usually happens just about this kind of time where you are right now. And the thing is, you start feeling like, well, when I'm watching the tutorials, everything makes perfect sense. Like, I totally get it. But when I have to do something myself, like in the challenge, all of a sudden, it's like I've learned nothing at all. It's like I can't do it. So what's actually going on there? Well, one of the biggest problems is that when we're just watching things and we're sort of following along with it, it's very easy to think, yeah, I get that, that's fine. But when you actually have to do something yourself, when you actually have to put it into practice to solve a challenge or to build your own project, then all of a sudden you're using completely different skills, right? And you have to be able to conjure up how to do things and pull it out of your brain, which is very different from just absorbing things in. So one of the ways of combating this is to constantly do the pulling out, the retrieving of information, the retrieving of your skill. Try to practice as much as you can. Try to look up exercises around the internet, or try to make up questions for yourself, quizzes for yourself. Test yourself on variations of what you've done in the tutorials. Or even better, anticipate what the tutorial is about to do and then just do it beforehand. Pause the video before I actually show you how to do something. Once you know what needs to be done, see if you can do it yourself. That is fundamentally different from actually just listening to me, because we can all sit and listen to lectures all day long, but if we're not focused, if we're not using the skills we're learning, then it's as if we haven't learned at all. So if you do more of this, I promise things will become more within your reach. And you will feel like you have a better grasp of the skills than if you had just sat and listened without trying it out. So have a go of that and keep going in the course. You're getting really far, and I'm really proud of what you're able to do now.